Okay.
But I'm not violating any law. So don't
No
run
one
my
said that
ID.
you were violating any law.
No. Don't run my ID. I'm a lawyer. I know my rights.
Okay. Because, sir, we are out with you because we were concerned that you were illegally dumping.
But you.
Can you prove that that dumpster belongs to you and you alone?
This incident occurred in Ohio, USA, on a peaceful afternoon when civil rights attorney Ola Whale was taking a bag of trash out of his Tesla car and putting it into the dumpster behind his office. Suddenly, two patrolling police officers walked by, their suspicious eyes immediately focusing on Ola Whale. Sensing that something was amiss, they stopped their car and approached him for questioning.
Okay.
If you need my
All right.
ID,
Huh?
I'll show you my ID.
If you don't mind, just so... Yeah, if you don't mind, can we see your ID?
Yeah.
Ola Whale quickly opened his car door and prepared to take out his business card. In that moment, his actions could have been misunderstood as a threat. However, fortunately, the police officer restrained himself and did not draw his gun, avoiding a potentially dangerous situation.
Pretty cool. Well, that is pretty cool. That's a slick business card.
Yep.
All right. I'll give it to him. You can keep doing what you're doing. We're just, again, we're kind of concerned. Yeah, seeing somebody dump a bunch of stuff there. So,
Can I have it back? No, don't run it. Don't run my card. Don't run my ID.
huh?
Don't run my ID.
Don't run your ID?
You have no reason to.
After proactively providing his business card and ID to prove that he worked there, Ola Whale refused to allow the police to further investigate his identity. Taking the documents to check on the computer in the car is considered an act of detention. However, the police officers did not have reasonable suspicion or evidence, and no one called the police because of the trash disposal. Therefore, what the police did was a violation of the U.S. Constitution, specifically the rights under the Fourth Amendment.
Well, we're going to at least mark it down. We're going to take down your information.
Nope. I'm on my property. Putting trash in mine.
Okay, but this is not just your property. It's several people's property.
I understand.
Okay.
But I'm not violating any law. So don't
No
run
one
my
said that
ID.
you were violating any law.
No. Don't run my ID. I'm a lawyer. I know my rights.
Okay.
I'm not violating any law. I'm on my property. There's no suspicion. No one called anybody. So don't run my ID. I only identify myself. So
Ola Whale's request is completely reasonable because, according to the Fourth Amendment of the U.S. Constitution, protecting personal privacy is of utmost importance. The government is not allowed to arbitrarily search and seize an individual's property. All searches and arrests must have reasonable cause and usually require a clear search warrant, ensuring the freedom and safety of every citizen.
I just won't escalate.
That's fine, but we can still mark down who we're out with, and so that's what we're going to do.
No.
Yes.
You didn't stop me. Don't turn
Yes.
this into an issue.
Sir, you are turning this into an issue. We're just simply marking down who we're out with.
Yeah.
So he's just
How
going to write it
could
down
what?
on a piece
Oh,
of
it's
paper. Yeah.
it's just your name.
Why?
Because, sir, we are out with you because we were concerned that you were illegally dumping.
But you already discovered. Do you want me to show you my office?
I understand that you're here, but I don't know if this dumpster belongs to you or somebody else in the
It belongs to me.
to you and you alone.
Yes.
Even though he provided all the necessary documents and did not break any laws, the lawyer was still continuously questioned by the police. The senior officer did not hesitate to ask questions about the ownership of the dumpster. Imagine you are taking out the trash in front of your house and someone stops you, demanding that you prove you own the dumpster. What would you do in this situation?
Can you prove that that dumpster belongs to you and you alone?
This dumpster belongs to the property.
Okay,
and I'm
that's
dumping my stuff in there.
That's my point, though. Is it if it's also other units?
So what? It belongs to everybody. We're paying for
Okay.
it. It doesn't really matter if it belongs to all the unit.
That's fine.
Just give me back my ID. Thank
Fair.
you.
Despite Ola Whale's objections, the police officer quickly noted down the lawyer's information.
Do you want your
Understand
card
came-
back?
Yeah, I understand you came to check, but trying to run my ID to find out anything, no, that's illegal.
That is not illegal. But okay, you can finish dumping if you like.
When the police returned to the patrol car, they still conducted a check of Ola Whale's information on the computer and found that he had no criminal record. Ola Whale posted about the incident on social media, stating that he felt discriminated against in this situation. After that, the city police department investigated the incident and a statement was quickly issued. Police Chief Chen stated that the two junior officers were very professional and courteous. There were no violations, and they fully complied with the department's requirements. Olawale did not officially file a lawsuit. He stated in an interview that even if he pursued legal action, the police department's attitude would not change, and nothing would be different.